everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into cars, diagnostics, or just love seeing tech that makes life easier in the garage, today's video is for you. We're taking a deep dive into the OTOFIX D1 ECU coding diagnostic scanner, a tool that's getting a lot of buzz in the automotive world. The OTOFIX D1 is a professional-grade diagnostic scanner designed for both mechanics and DIY car enthusiasts. Developed by the same team behind OTO, it offers full system diagnostics, advanced ECU coding, and an easy-to-use Android-based interface. Let's talk about features. OTOFIX D1 Diagnostic Scanner is upgraded version with enhanced hardwares and newest functions, faster and smarter. Alternative Bluetooth 5.0 plus USB Connect, 2G plus 64 GB, Android 9.0 OS, 5G and 2.4 GHz dual Wi-Fi, 5,800 mAh battery, VAG guided function, ECU online coding, CNFD and DOP, 40-plus services, bidirectional control, full systems diagnose. 2 years free update, 150-plus vehicle coverage. The D1 OTOFIX scanner also offers bidirectional control, allowing you to perform powerful active tests on car subsystems. This means that you can check the working status and functionality of open and closed solenoids, energize injectors, turn cooling fan on and off, and more. OTOFIX D1 OBD scanner for car performs 40-plus hot services, including oil reset, EPB, TPMS, BMS, EGR, GPF, DPF, SAS calibration, ABS bleeding, injector coating, gearbox match, suspension, crankshaft relearn, power balance, etc. OTOFIX D1 scanner autometries gives you the ability to troubleshoot entire car systems including engine system, transmission system, body system, chassis, etc. One of the standout features of the D1 OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool is the one-click auto VIN and auto scan function. This feature allows you to quickly and easily scan all diagnosable ECU with just one click and identify any problems hidden in your vehicle systems. OTOFIX D1 is a comprehensive diagnostic scanner, supports 18-plus languages, 150-plus car brands from 1996 to 2025, keep expanding to 2025 cars. New protocols can FD and DOIP boost 2x faster communication and cover more car models without CNFD and DOIP special adapters, saving you $200. Keep this automotive scanner diagnostic tool up to date with software subscriptions, free for 2 years, with much higher update frequency than similar scanners for cars on the market. Now let's talk about pros and cons. Pros: advanced coding and diagnostics, excellent vehicle coverage, user-friendly UI, wireless VCI, regular updates. And cons: yearly subscription after the first year may be overkill for beginners. Overall, the OTOFIX D1 punches well above its weight. Whether you're diagnosing a check engine light or customizing your ECU settings, this scanner has your back. Hit that like button if this helped you out, and drop a comment if you want to see a full tutorial on specific features. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and automotive tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.